In today's video, I have at least 5 plagiarism checker that you can access for free. So you know how difficult it is to get a plagiarism checker for free. So I'm going to be giving you at least 5 of them that you can use to check your plagiarism, whether it is human rewritten or AI written. So this particular one on your screen is called plagiarismdetector.net. So when you go over to your browser, you type in plagiarismdetector.net, it will bring you to this interface. So it says you should paste text to highlight AI content with our AI detector. Multiple languages supported, 100% trustworthy, AI checker for students, teachers, and content writers. So whether you're a student, a content writer, a teacher, whatever you are, and you need to confirm that your work it is free of plagiarism. This is one website that is trusted and you can use it to check it. So let's go down. So in this particular one, you can be allowed to paste at least 2,000 words in this at a time. So you can cut your work into 2,000 words each, and then you paste it here to check if your work is plagiarized or not. So I have something on my clipboard. I'm just going to post it here so we see what it has to say. So I've posted it here. You click on I am not a robot, and after that you click on detect AI content. So let's allow it to load. Alright, so after loading it says that AI written content is 3% and human written content is 97%. This is how it is done. So if you still need to rewrite one or two things here, you do it. So that is all about this particular one. So I'm going to show you another one. Alright, this is another one. This is called doubly checker. So when you go over to your browser, you type in doublychecker.com. So it is a plagiarism checker, as you can see here. So when you copy your text, you click here. It says enter your text and check plagiarism. So I've pasted the text again here. It says 1,000 word limit. Remember the other one says it is 2,000 word limit, but this one is 1,000 word limit. So you try it out. Anyone that you're more comfortable with, you use it. Okay, so you click on I am not a robot, and then you check plagiarism. All right, now our result is ready. It says 0% extra exact match. Plagiarism is 0%. Unique, it is 100% unique. Remember the other one said it is 3%. This one says 0%. So one thing about this website is that it has so many ads. So many ads. So if it is something you can deal with, fine, but it is one of the plagiarism checkers that you can use. So let's check out another one. Okay, so here's another one. This one is search engine reports. When you search this search engine report, it is going to bring you to this interface. So see where they say plagiarism checker. Free plagiarism checker for students, teachers, and content creators. Check plagiarism of up to 1,000 words, blah blah blah. So this is where you paste your text. Alright, so I'm still going to paste the same text here, and then I'm going to click on I'm not a robot, of course. Then I will click on check plagiarism. Unique is 100%. The plagiarism is 0%. Okay, so That's it for this one. So let's check out the next one. All right, this one here is onetext.com. So when you type it on your browser, I'm going to still send the link on my description so you check it out there. And so when you click on it, it says check text for plagiarism. So let me paste my word again. So let's check for plagiarism. It's loading. It's still checking, so let's give it some time. So I'm going to have to like cut and come back again when it's about to finish loading. So I will show you the result. Okay, so we are back again, and this plagiarism checker is actually one of my best because it is real. Like it is very, very real. It's going to like show you where you got your sources from. The 67% of this work is from megainterview.com. Then 44% is from climbtheladder.com. It means that the uniqueness of this work is just in 2%. All right. So I would advise that you use more of this particular one. It is very, very nice. It is very, very okay. So it means I still have much work to do on this. All right. The next one I'd like to show you is Squirrelbot. Okay. So this Squirrelbot, you can use it to paraphrase. You can use it to check grammar. You can use it for plagiarism check, AI detector, translator, summarizer, and many more. So, but one thing about this Squirrelbot is that before you assess the best parts of this Squirrelbot, you have to use the premium version of it. So that is why I'm not going to make a video about it in this particular one. I'm going to make a separate video about how you can get this premium version of Quillbot for free so that you can use it for your plagiarism check and AI detector, grammar check, and many more. There's another one too. It is Grammarly. All right. So if you want me to make a separate video on these two, you can just say in the comment section, make a video about the two. All right. So that it is going to motivate me to make a video about them. But in this four that I have mentioned to you, I would like you to tell me in the comment section which one do you prefer the most? The first one, second one, the third one, or the fourth one? Okay. All right. So having said that, I'm going to stop here for now, and I'll see you on my next video.